It's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positive.
Hello guys, I hope you are well. It's your girl Wendy and I'm back with another video. In this video, your girl decided to try these Scott Barnes does Tati's makeup. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. I saw this makeup online. I saw it really trending. I'm like, why not jump on it, because it's something different. It's different from the way I do my makeup, and I mean it will be good to break that monotony. So without further ado, let's go. So here's a disclaimer. If you see me looking down, I'm looking on my computer. I'm just trying to follow step by step how Scott does Tati's makeup. So stay tuned.
So as you can see on the screen, Scott's routine is highlight and contour before foundation or before primer. So that's what we are going to do today.
So I am going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Chestnut. I'll mix it together with my tools to get my perfect highlighting bead.
And you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend.
You can see Scott is trying to make Tati look like JLO. Okay, so you're trying to look like JLO. A black girl looking like JLO.
For what? I don't really.
What do you mean for what?
I don't really need
to
it.
fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation so you don't see it. Now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right?
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
I love that.
So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting? Remember, okay, lifting. I'm like literally giving you all my secrets here.
Do you hear that, guys? All of his secrets. I'm gonna play this back over and over and over, and I'm gonna be like, how do you do this? Well,
Okay.
now I have it in action. Yes.
So what I do is just gently. We're gonna come in with the jaws of life.
So he's contouring her hand. So that's what we need to do. Doing this the first time ever to contour my hand. So that's what I'm doing right now. Oh my god, this feels so good. I'm going in with my contour since I don't have the cream contour foundation.
Ask how do you deal with the haters, how do you deal with the trolls, like, and that's one of those things early in my YouTube career that so many people.
Do you have
pick up.
haters?
Oh, sure.
Like the light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all. You just...
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting, like you really
Oh, the first thing I do when I walk in,
look at the lighting.
I walk right to the director and I'm like, well, what are we doing? Where's the light? And then depending on what lighting we're doing, or what the...
Next, he contours her nose. So that's what we're going to do.
It's where people really mess up with contouring. They over contour and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
And then they just face tune it later, just saying.
Which is an issue. Now the trick to have...
Shit is getting real.
I'm telling you, shit is real. Shit is getting real. Woo!
is so Scott's makeup. Like that is just,
Yeah, so I'm gonna do like a little bit like what, this is like, you know, like I said, we're doing this for TV and for stage, like for like a music
there
video.
is a difference because you have to think of like, I mean, she looked great under all lighting situations.
Yep.
The difference between some of the artists that you see that are dominantly on Instagram or just photo shoot, and then someone like you that actually has to think about every situation, you know, for film, for live performance.
At a woman's face and I'm like, okay, how to make you look perfect. You know what I mean? Like that's
what we like to hear.
and then we're gonna. Important when you're doing makeup too is, just like clothing, you have to look at proportion. You got a real purty mouth. You got a purty mouth right there. Believe it or not.
That's a nice color.
Yeah.
That's kind of shocking actually, because it looks very light.
Right. Well, I don't want this to take over. I just kind of built. Gorgeous, so we need to make the eyebrows match. It just softens that, and it separates the brow really nicely. Okay, so the framework's done. Now, if you really are going out and say you were wearing black, I use this makeup forever. This is S. You know what I'm doing?
So
Going out the edge.
it's going off the edge.
Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out into the edge.
Oh, this is like makeup choreography. Pure magic, and it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, you know, I was talking about this before, that really you can use that one brush if you're just doing a very easy look in a few different colors, and you just get a lot of mileage out of it.
So what I do with this, just so you guys can, I don't know if you can see. This, or if it helps, I almost work it in a circle. Now, still one color. I just want to keep reminding everybody. Wow. The talent is in the brush. What color? And this is the kind of color. This is another color of mine. I mean, it's fun to play with color, and this is the kind of color that is not offensive.
It still has this
My action is way pigmented. I think the look is finally coming together. Yay! My chest is glowing. So that's what we are going to do.
Now, I backcomb mascara in.
Even though
like
I
this.
usually, when I'm doing my
Excuse me?
makeup,
I know.
What?
It's weird. I kind of do this to it, like backcomb it in. As opposed to just going I'm going like in and then like down and rolling it. And then I just use the point to kind of lift and separate. Like a 24-hour bra. And you just break the band up a little bit. Chin down just a little bit and open just a little bit. Right there. So what I like to do is find the inner corner and the outer corner. Nail those down. And then you gently just tap it in.
So wait, how did you?
Time my eyelashes really looking this flawless. I'll use this tip next time when I'm doing my makeup. Thank you, Scott.
I am taking your lash with my mascara and connecting it with the falsetto. And then I just brush with the tip of this, not like a full thing, but you're just directing those hairs where you want them to go, and then you can put a little mascara out here.
I just transported to another dimension.
Right. Superstardom. You know what it is? Everybody's like, what do you do, Scott, that's different from everybody else? I take extraordinary talented people and make their beauty match their talent. Okay? That's what it is. So when you call me in, it's for me to connect the two things together. So see how we're pulling this out? Mm-hmm. I'm just using a darker brown. So what, third color?
Oh my gosh, it's so funny. And in, I don't want to say just YouTube, but in digital, you know, the trend is really to get very into the color and to use 10 different shades and to just keep piling it on, which can be fun. But it's a nice refresh to remember that technique and pulling back with maybe less color can give you a better and bigger impact. I mean, because this is glamorous. This is very glamorous makeup, and we're not using 10,000 different shades,
No.
you know?
I think it looks more glamorous without, look up again, using 10,000 different shades.
All right.
So guys, we are finally done with our makeup. Guys, actually, this isn't bad. This is the closest we could get to looking like Tati or JLO. Let me know in the comment section whether I nailed it or whether I failed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and share with all your friends. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.